How you going there, folks? Paul Bars signing back in one more time. Continuing on these particular videos, we're looking at setting up a complete WordPress website. And this is where we're up to so far. We're getting there. Starting to take some shape, excuse me, along the way. What I want to do now is work just through this checklist a little bit further. Some of the essential WordPress plugins that need to go along. Most of these we've done. Most of these we've done with configuration and so on as well. And I'm actually not going to need to do them in terms of this particular blog because I've already done them here at paulbars.com, which is what I'm looking at, pretty well just duplicating and making this an addition of. Let me just show you that very quickly. The two of these, all right, they're going to be very much the same. I've got this one zoomed in at the moment just a little bit. You can see I'm now zooming that out a little bit further. I want them to basically look the same because I'm going to add a link here on paulbars.com, this one here which currently says videos. And if I click this at the moment, it will go to a page which has some video training on it. But I don't want just a video training page. What I'm looking for is to basically turn this complete video training page into a video blog, and that's all that's going to be on this particular blog. So this page here will redirect to here, and I've chosen to set it up on a separate domain name for no other reason than for search engine optimization, and it's going to make things a whole lot easier for people to find my videos than have just looking for a single page. SEO will pick it up much quicker. But back to our list. Okay, Akismet, we've done this right up front. The all-in-one SEO, the search engine optimization pack, we've done that. We'll take just maybe just a quicker look at it. Again, if I go back to my posts, and it works for posts and pages, and I'll just click on the dummy post that I had there beforehand, the test one. We'll edit this. Okay, here it is, there along the lines, and this is our plugin down the bottom here, the all-in-one SEO pack. All it does is we can have then a custom title. This is the default title that will be picked up by WordPress, so we can change that here. The description gives us an opportunity to create a custom description, and of course keyword commenting and so on that particular page along the way. Disable it, turn it on, whatever. There's a whole bunch of different options that we have there, and we saw earlier changing the title of that along the way as well. So they are some of the different reasons for it, and it's a great little tool. The Dagon Design Form Mailer, contact form management. Now this is something that I need to set up. So let's go now into our settings. Go down to here it is, the DDFM main, Dagon Design Form Mailer. I've got main and I've got form 1. First thing I need to do is copy and paste that into the coding of the contact page. At the moment I've only got one instance of the form, but I could have multiple forms if I wanted to. I can put in the captcha, or I can just use a basic, and these are the default settings. So let me go back to my page here, and I'll go to this contact page, and I've copied this, edit, and beforehand I'm going to eventually just going to redirect it to my main contact form, but for the moment, to show you how it works, there it is, update, and we'll come back here and we'll actually now refresh this page once it's gone through and have a look, see how it looks. And done. Okay, now still got a bit of stuff required because it would seem that it hasn't been set up, but you can see the basics of the form and where that's going to go just there. Those settings are done here in this one, the DDFM1, which of course needs to be configured. Here we go. Language. No, I think I'll do this one in English. That would be much, much easier for me. Contact form from your website, wherever it might be. Now the contact page in this particular case, just copy and paste that. And I want them sent to me by email. Done. Here are all just the basic settings and so on and so on. Now let me just update, and I should just point out while that's updating, this page name, I'm going to fix this next because I really don't like it like this. Okay, I don't like the page numbers like that. It's further down on the list, but I am for the moment just going to go straight into our settings here into permalinks, which is what we've been using here. It's using the default at the moment, which, like I said, I really, really don't like. I'm going to use a custom structure, and that is going to be like that. And that should change this, page 1, 2, 3 or whatever to the actual thing. So let's go back to my contact form now and just refresh that. Actually, I better go back home because this page will have changed and the link refreshing it wouldn't work. Let me just quickly check what I've got that page called. If I'm going quick edit, it's come times about, I'll change that. That's what I want it to be. And so this now, if I copy that link, becomes the link that I really want to put into my DDFM1, my Dagon Design Form Mailer Form 1 here. Otherwise, it's not going to work properly. And we'll update that. Terrific. Let's go back and have a look. Okie dokie, pressing contact. Done. All perfect, all ready to go, and I can just plug that in. Now one other thing you'll just notice here, this is a bit skew-if. See here down the side, if I move over, it's on the other side as well. That's actually something in my template. What I need to do, it's an image, which I need to go and delete, view the background image. Will tell me there what it's called. I've got to then log in and actually delete that image because it's not something that I want in there. So that's got nothing to do with what I'm doing with my templates and my designs. It's just an image that I've got in there which I need to delete. It'll be gone by the next video. So that's our contact form. Let's move on to the next one and I'll talk to you again shortly. Bye-bye.